Good morning from Copenhagen. This film is about a tourist attraction that is listed both for Copenhagen and for Malmö, the city on the opposite side of the straits in Sweden. But you could variously view it as the exit to both or the entry to both. Yes, today we're going across the Oresund Bridge by train.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it.
So you may have seen the bridge on television and not realised it. Because if you watch the programme called The Bridge, that crime drama, the Scandi drama between Denmark and Sweden, it's the bridge that was made famous as well as the actors. It has been there now for around 20 years. Here is a view on my recent flight in, across the strait and the bridge. It looks pretty magnificent.
Will you find me? Hope you find me.
Let's see what it looks like on the train going across ourselves. So the trains across the bridge go every 20 minutes. I've not timed this very well. I've got about a 13-14 minute wait for the next train. Talking to friends and family over in Sweden. Last night it was very busy and it was standing room only. Hopefully I'll be a bit luckier this afternoon making my way across to Sweden. One of the other things to say about using this train is you might need to use your passport. Sometimes you go across and you're not asked for your passport when you go into Sweden. Sometimes you are. We'll find out what it's like today, but just be aware that sometimes you might just need to have your passport if you're not from these countries to get into them.
The 11:56 train to Nivo via Copenhagen Central Station will depart from platform 2.
There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Catch me me howling at the moon. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun
While we cross the Oresund Bridge, I'd really appreciate your support by hitting a like on this video and smashing a subscribe to the channel. So that little metal gate that I just went through is customs. They're not there today. Sometimes they are, sometimes you have to show your passport. But as you can see, it's a pretty quick journey across the Øresund Strait. So I've got off at the first stop when you get into Sweden. It's got the shopping centre which you can see, and then the Malmö Arena, and then my favourite little bit out here, the water tower, which has been here as long as I can remember coming. Anyway, there you go. That's a trip across the Øresund by train. £9.73 it's cost me today on the conversion rate, so not a very expensive trip really. It's a single, but not a very expensive trip if you want to make it. I will do it the other way around next time, but in a car.